After taking Gynoveda, when I went for this checkup, said that my cyst has reduced like anything. I was surprised. And then one fine day, I got conceived, and now I'm holding my 1.5 day baby with me. First thing when I heard his voice, it was like heaven's bell, ringing. They brought in front of me. Tears just rolled down. There was no other, expression, nothing. I don't know what to do. Just tears were rolling down, and the miracle is in front of me on my lap. Ma'am, actually, क्या हुआ? I tried allopathy, homeopathy, and that also with very renowned doctors. I was just going through some post in FB, like random post. There I saw advertisement of Gynoveda. तो मैंने सोचा Ayurvedic क्यों नहीं? So I went through Gynoveda profile and all. I saw doctors over there at genuine. I felt somewhere, okay, let me give it a try. So when I started, within 2 months, the first thing changed is my period. It was on date. 28 to 32 days difference, which was like before 3-4 months, there was no periods. Like I was surprised. And then I started taking that PCOD medicine only. And I continuously did it for 2 years without not even a single day I missed my medicine.
So Naini, do you want to really share something with other women? आपका क्या message है उनके लिए?
Nothing can happen so quickly, so easily. You have to have patience. हमारा जो circle है वहाँ पर देखती हूँ people after taking 2-3 months of medicine they expect miracle. My message will be don't give up. Trust Gynoveda blindly.